fantastic. Definitely worth attending.
Course for everyone.
Unbelievable.
Very awesome.
Fabulous.
Excellent.
Highly informative.
More than expected.
And I think with RichSmile Design's courses, this is one of the finest course of veneers which we have been organizing. Today again we finished one live case providing the live natural restoration concept. The entire team did a fantastic job at RichSmile Design.
Hi all, so today we have completed 5 courses in RSD. So this is one of our premium courses where we are doing a live patient experience for participants. More than 100 clinicians from different parts of our country have experienced an experience where we start from planning.
Dr. Mithun did a fantastic job of explaining them how the veneer protocol should ideally be followed stepwise into the practice. I think we are achieving what we look in conducting these courses. TD treatment planning should be considered as birthright of every patient seeking dental treatment.